Okay, so tell me a little bit about like the PM skill set. Like when you think about the craft of product management, and maybe when you're going out to hire another PM, what are the top three or maybe 4 or 5 skills you're really looking for in that him or her that you're going to bring onto the team?
Yeah. So I would say in terms of the core skills, and then I'll add on a little bit about what we typically look for.
Yep.
I tend to bucket them in 3 areas. The first area is around leadership. Especially when you hear things about PMs being kind of the CEO of a product or kind of leading a team. Leadership, you can't get around it as a product manager. And I would say good product managers or ones that are less experienced, this is often the area where they struggle the most because being responsible, being in that leadership position is a lot of responsibility. Regardless of the size of your product, you're still leading people. So being a good leader, and leadership is not just about defining the direction. It's also about understanding the team and what motivates them, what are they concerned about. It kind of bridges between setting the direction of the product and making sure the people that you're working with are on board with that direction. Mm-hmm. So that kind of is probably the first thing. The second set of skills is around execution. And this is more of the kind of like day-to-day work of what you think about a PM doing, which is, can you analyze data? Can you do root cause analysis? Mm-hmm. Do you have critical thinking skills? Can you set a goal and drive to that goal? Do you set the goal in a way that it makes sense? Are you tracking metrics that actually align to those goals? This is kind of like that core execution, execution skill set. And then I think the third one is around product sense, which is the ability to, understand an ambiguous space or understand a product landscape and being able to distill it down to a product idea. This is a little bit on the creativity side. It's a little bit on the critical thinking side. It's a little bit on the strategic side. But it's really a mix of skills or kind of experiences and education that you have distilled down to the process of defining exactly what a product is and should be and should do. Yep. So that's probably the third area.